Welcome back, folks. I'm Jimmy of jdflutes. This one here is my 9-hole special series F sharp drone tuned to 432 Hertz. Folks, this flute here has such a wonderful and lovely tone. You wait till you get to hear its voice. It is absolutely beautiful in person. I don't know how it looks in this video, but it is absolutely beautiful in person, folks. Its voice is just simply breathtaking. And this piece of wood here, this black walnut, it's so beautiful. It's two-toned, as you can see. Very beautiful piece of wood. This is actually a customer's flute, and but I'm going to offer it on the website, so I'll leave you a link below to where you can purchase this flute right away if you would like to have one. It's been produced with a 1-inch bore. This is my middle tone F sharp drone. It has my hummingbird fetishes on it with genuine turquoise eyes. Beautiful, folks. On the bottom you will see jdflutes special series F sharp. I can't see it on my end, maybe you can. 432 Hertz. Beautiful piece of wood, folks. Beautiful. I'm going to do a very short sound sample. Let me know what you think about its voice. Excuse me. Excuse me, my sinuses are bothering me today. I'm going to remove the leather, and I have it sort of tight. If you bear with me. We'll just remove the leather like this here, just turn it sideways. Remove it off your 30 holes on the drone side. There we go. I'm going to play it like that for you. Now I can play this one here all day long, folks. All day long. Like I said, if you would like to have one, I'll leave the link below this video and you may purchase it right away. I will have it on sale, and don't forget, when you go to www.jdflutes.com, scroll down to the middle of the page and subscribe, because I will be sending out coupon codes for Christmas, and I want to help you folks out. Thank you so much, folks. I hope you enjoyed.